Hello everyone, it's my pal. Where does the name for Llysfaen come from? So, Llysfaen is a small village in Conwy County, just sort of between Old Colwyn and Abergele. It's made of two parts. We have Llys, which is kind of like a court in the medieval sense, but also a legal court and an administrative centre in medieval Wales. And then we have Faen, which is the soft mutated form of mine, which means a stone. So it literally means the stone court. Now, there's two interpretations of that. One of them is that there was a courthouse here built with stone. We don't know where it is. There's no archaeological evidence. The other one is that there's a stone somewhere called Craig y Botel. We'll see if I can find it in a bit, where they used to do like legal representation and maybe even punishment. So the town of Llysfaen actually grew up around the church behind me. Well, the original church behind me. This one's a relatively new refurbishment. But it's called St Cynfran's, and Cynfran came to the area in the year 777 and built his church here, which actually then sort of had a settlement built up around it. You can see all the way to the sea. Now, also, he gave his name to a fountain, which is about 100 metres north of here, up in a field. I can't get to it, unfortunately, but it's called Ffynnon Cynfran. So, the Ffynnon, the fountain of Cynfran. Anyway, diolch. Check out the link in my bio. It's got the rest of my social medias and my Patreon as well if you'd like to support me. I'd quite like to make this a full-time thing. Diolch. Subscribe for more. Just here above the door is St Cynfran.